Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with My Project 5 by Useless Increase 2. In their code we see glide blocks and when I receive blocks. Try to get the fruit. Our next project is Cuphead Part 4, Defeat the Enemies by Well-Informed Bunny. In their code we see variable blocks and create synth blocks. Try to defeat the enemy flowers. This project is Emoji Jump by Perpendicular. In their code, we see if touching blocks and when occurs blocks. Choose your own emoji and go through the obstacle course. Our final project is Webgl Demo. In their JavaScript, we see functions and variables. Move the cube to see it from different angles. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects.